Well, hey there, Lord Shax. How you doing today?
Phenomenal!
Well, great. I just wanted to ask you a few questions.
Outstanding!
Recently, there's been an issue in the Crucible with Guardians who may not be playing fair.
What? What? How?
Now, I know your boss has been sending out these letters to us to let us know that they're doing a good job.
Good.
Well, it's not working.
Oh,
Outside, far out. Oh my God!
Oh, the hounds of war are loose.
Well, you better believe what you're seeing, because this has been going on for way too long.
Relax, Guardian. You're scaring them. They'll never want to match with you again.
Well, here's the problem. I keep matching them, Shax. Before we get into it, today's video is brought to you by none other than Raid Shadow Legends. The game is free to play and is crossplay for iOS, Android, and PC. Gather up your champions and fight the baddies across multiple worlds and maps. With 500 champions to collect, each with their own skill trees and millions of artifacts to find, no two champions will ever be the same. There are literally trillions of ways to build your teams and endless strategies to figure out. Want to obtain new champions to use in combat? Head on over to your portal and use a mystery shard to summon a common, uncommon, or rare champion to join your team. Raid just released the Artifact Forge, where you can save time and craft artifacts directly, as well as a whole new advanced quest system with amazing rewards. And that's not all. They also brought out some amazing new champions, and they're developing the amazing looking Doom Tower as we speak, which I'm super excited about. So what are you waiting for? Head to the video description, click on the special links, and if you're a new player, you'll get 100,000 silver, 50 gems, 10 mystery shards, and 1 free champion. Hurry now, because these rewards will only be available to new players for the next 30 days. Make sure to head to your inbox to claim your rewards.
Oh no.
Oh no, what?
It's the game.
Yeah, let me add, hang on, let me add him up and be like, dude, can you show me like the cool shit? Like, show me the good shit.
I want to see the good shit.
Please add me.
Trials of Osiris.
Come on, dude, add me up. I want to fucking see the good stuff. Like, show it all. Show it all off, man. If you're in my chat, listen. Don't kill us. We're not going to kill you. Just fucking show it all to us. Like, let's have a good time here.
Find your end.
Come on, dude. Show us. We want to see the good stuff. Come here.
No, you're in harm's way.
Come on. We want to see the good stuff.
He's got the good stuff, obviously.
I want to see more of the good stuff. I want to see him fucking flying out there.
Because he's getting banned either way.
Here he comes. Throw a nade at me. No! Oh, DJ, no. What were you thinking? Okay, on my side. Oh, there's a Titan. He's one shot.
Gonna push him. You both push him together.
Yeah, I see him.
Got this.
Guardian down.
Oh, the other guys.
Oh, I want to see the good stuff, man.
Teleport is in there.
I'm keeping Capri's on so I can at least see. Yeah, make all the way in the back. Just come back to me. No, where you going?
Just let me go.
What are you doing?
They're not going to show us the good stuff. So I'm just going to stand here and try and kill one.
Okay, I'm down.
Just zoom over. We know you're cheating.
No, here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Try not to waste. Kill. Other guy's above me, I think. What? Shit, last guy.
The opposing team is down. You are the final blow.
Oh man.
I literally just watched the guy fly across the screen. The F guy.
Yeah, I think if they do this, they're gonna get smart. I mean, maybe.
I doubt. Oh,
Outside, far out. Oh! Oh my god! Dude, he showed it! What the fuck? I thought it was a fucking ship at first. I thought it was a ship flying in the sky, and I was like, oh man.
It's just an F.
Dude, that was hilarious.
Let's see if he does it again.
Oh.
I think he does.
Dude, that was hilarious.
Oh, look, here he
Here
comes.
comes. Okay.
Oh no, he's got a sword. Fuck. Here he comes, though.
On me! Oh god! Yes! You might be able to get me up. Jay, you have a wall, Jay. Jay, you have a wall. Come and get me. Oh yeah, let's go.
Very good. You are back in the fight.
What was that?
I don't know, but I'm so scared.
That's how the raid bosses are gonna die.
Oh yeah. Okay, we've got this. I want to see him
No.
fly again, man. I really want to see that.
I'm prepared. I'm prepared if he does. Let's just team shot with Norin.
Through
here he
mid, through
comes.
mid, through mid. You think he's gonna do that again? There's no way he does that again.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, I got fucked.
Ally is left.
I just killed myself.
Nice.
I mean, they're getting a swift
One
ban.
behind, but you can
Yeah,
Bungie
definitely.
takes one look at this video.
All right, we're doing fine on this side. We gotta figure out the other side.
Yeah, other side's just a bit of a struggle. Oh, we have Smash. Fuck
Oh,
yes.
super.
Oh,
Cool, chuck on a helmet.
put your helmet on. He's coming.
It is just you.
Oh, I double swiped. You know.
Until you have nothing left. The next
Oh
round
man, this is some good stuff.
is
Yeah.
yours.
Come on,
Are these
man.
brand new accounts or no?
I don't know.
Brand new
You come back
accounts.
from
Or
work.
not.
We fucked here, man. You got spec.
These are old accounts. That's pretty cool.
He's coming to your side.
Yeah, he is. Holy shit. There's one on my side. This one's right there.
Oh my god, man.
It is in their hands.
Oh,
You're so
Jesus.
dead.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you just done it.
My friend.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What, Jay?
Yeah?
You can't use that word.
What did I say?
You called him a cheater.